Hey guys, we're gonna wire this XR10 Just Stock. It's going in a 22X. That's in for rewiring. Figured I would just show you how I go about rewiring this. So I already cut motor wires. These are the battery wires. I use a flux paste, just a regular paste, just to tin the wires. I don't use flux on the ESC or the motor, but I will use it at the end. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Just using a basic 6040 0.8 diameter solder. This actually has flux in it too, but I like using the paste to tin the leads. Just dunk them in, and then I do a little twist. I don't want to mix these up. Using a Weller WEP70, pretty small tip on it. The paste pulls the solder right in. So I got those all tinned up. I'm gonna clean the iron off. This already has solder on it, so it should make life a little easier. I cleaned it up a little bit. It's kind of gooped on there. I fill up the tip of the iron a little bit, put a little solder on there, take my first wire, and I always turn the wires so they're facing where they're going, and I'll lay it in there. Just heat it up until it starts flowing. It'll actually sit down in there. Let it harden up. I don't really worry about how it looks right now because I'm going to go back over them. I just make sure they're in. And we need a battery one. Same thing. That one I'm actually going to take back out because it kind of spread a little bit. Let that one cool back down. So they're all pretty much tacked in right now. I wouldn't leave them the way they are. I like to put a nice finish on them. I'm going to let this cool down a little bit because I don't like putting a lot of heat in the ESC. So I'll give this a minute to cool itself down, and I'm going to show you how I would finish these off. Alright, so now that the ESC has had a chance to cool down, we're going to finish it. This is how I normally do every single ESC. I tack them in, make sure they're secure, and then I like to put a nice finish on them. And this is where I use the flux paste again. So I'll take a little bit of flux paste and I'll just put a dot on each post. And all I'm doing with this is trying to pull the solder that I touch each of these posts with in immediately, with putting as little heat in the ESC as possible. So just a little bit on each. And this is how I finish these off. I'll go one by one. So now each post has a good amount of solder on it. Nice and solid all the way around and smooth. They're all secure. And this is kind of my little secret. So I've been accused of sanding and doing all kinds of things after I solder, but all I use is a beat up wire brush. This thing has seen better days, probably time to replace it. And all I do to remove any flux that's on there, I just go over it. And I'll take a rag, wipe it off, and that's the end result. This one is soldered up. Looks good. It's ready to go back in the car to finish the job.